welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today we are making some healthy chocolate cookies that are moist, delicious, and oh so decadent. If you are new and you'd like to subscribe, hit that red button down below to see all my delicious healthy recipes. Join us because we make lots of delicious healthy food, and today we are making some healthy chocolate cookies. So this recipe is completely paleo, vegan, plant-based, grain-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, but you're not going to be able to tell because it's so good. So let's go ahead and start assembling our dough. So we're going to start off by taking some nut butter. You can use any kind of nut or seed butter. And to that, I'm going to be adding in some date sugar. And then we're just going to whisk that together until it's nice and smooth. So then I'm going to take some of these Camino unsweetened chocolate chips. I like these ones because the only ingredients is cocoa mass, cocoa butter, and 100% cacao, so no sugar added. So we're going to take half a cup of these and melt that down. So once your chocolate is nice and melted, I'm going to add that into our mixture of nut butter and date sugar along with 1 flax egg. You can use a real egg here, but I wanted to keep this recipe plant-based, and a flax egg is simply 1 tablespoon of ground flax with 3 tablespoons of water and some vanilla. So we're going to mix that all together so that our wet is all combined. Once everything is nice and mixed, I'm gonna add in some cacao, so just 1/4 cup, a little bit of salt, so I would say like a 1/4 teaspoon. Salt helps to bring it out as well. Even if you had coffee extract instead of vanilla, that would add like a really nice element. Coffee tends to bring out chocolate flavor. And then we're going to add in 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. And then the last thing we need is just some almond meal. You can use either like blanched or unblanched, it won't really matter. And adding in some of that. And that's going to be it for our dry ingredients. So then I have a cookie sheet lined with a silicone mat. Use that or parchment paper, or make sure you grease it. And then I'm taking just an ice cream scoop so that all your cookies are about the same size. Scoop that out and then gently press them down slightly. First off, it smells so good in here, basically like chocolate heaven. The cookies have been cooling on the drying rack for about 10 minutes. You want to make sure they cool for about 5 minutes on the tray, then transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool for another 10-15. Otherwise, they could fall apart if you try to move them too quickly off of the tray. But they're so fudgy, so decadent, and they freeze really well too. Something you guys hear me say in a lot of my videos is that if you're not eating a baked good with, I would say, 24 max 48 hours, pop it in the freezer, not the fridge, because it keeps it fresher longer. The fridge tends to dry out baked goods, so this includes brownies, cakes, cookies, all of that. The fridge will dry them out. So keep out at room temperature whatever you're going to eat within the next day or two. Freeze the rest, and then I just take it out of the freezer whenever I want and let it thaw for a few minutes. But they are delicious, decadent chocolate cookies. They kind of have like a swirl in them too, which is really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy chocolate cookie recipe. If you haven't yet and you would like to subscribe, hit that red button so that you see all my future delicious recipes. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.